Sales is one of the few professions where hiring never stops. Every industry constantly needs skilled sales professionals to drive business growth. Sales professionals are highly valued in organizations because they are considered as the business drivers of the company. With the right skills, this career offers high growth opportunities, attractive incentives, and strong earning potential. It is also a wonderful profession for people who enjoy communication, networking, and interacting with people. However, successful selling is not just about talking. Sales is a skill that can be learned and developed through the right system, strategies, and processes. That's exactly what our sales training program focuses on. In this program, you will learn modern sales techniques, effective communication and lead generation strategies, consultative selling, objection handling, negotiation skills, and deal closing techniques. You will also gain insights into modern sales tool, CRM usage, and strategies used by top performing sales professionals. This training is practical, interactive, and designed to prepare you for real-world sales environments. The goal is to make you confident, job-ready, and capable in performing in competitive sales roles. We also provide you with placement assistance, helping you connect with companies that are actively hiring sales professionals. Whether you are a fresher starting your career or a professional looking to enhance your sales performance, our sales training program will help you achieve your goal. Join MCTA today and take the first step towards becoming a high-performing sales professional.